Hi, I'm Zach, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Molecule 1 mattress. Molecule makes mattresses geared towards highly active individuals for optimal rest and recovery. And while elite athletes like Tom Brady, Alex Morgan, and Russell Wilson advocate for the Molecule, the real question is, how does the Molecule 1 stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. We brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Jenny, average weight sleeper Wilfred, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Molecule 1 mattress is quite easy. We recommend having a friend around because while the mattress is compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 12 hours, but give it as much as 48 hours to fully recover. The Molecule 1 is a 12-inch memory foam mattress. The cover is made from a blend of polyester and lycra spandex. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of 2.5 PCF memory foam, atop 3 inches of zoned polyfoam. This is a 3-zone layer, with the middle third of the mattress being slightly firmer for added support under the hips and midsection. And the support core is made from 1.5 PCF high-density polyfoam. The feel of the Molecule 1 will vary depending on the weight of the sleeper. The top comfort layer is soft, and the zone transitional layer below it is noticeably firmer. Depending on how much you sink into this top layer will determine its feel. Overall, we have placed the Molecule 1 at a 6.5 on the firmness scale. It's conforming and not very responsive. You will feel like you're sleeping in this mattress. Though, depending on your weight, you may also feel propped up on the zoned polyfoam layer. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. The polyfoam comfort layer is comprised of 3 unique zones to increase support. As you can see, it does a decent job at supporting all of our sleepers and keeping their spines aligned. Though we did find it supported our average weight sleeper a bit more than our light or heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for couples and co-sleepers to minimize nighttime disturbances. This tends to be a strength for all foam mattresses, and the Molecule was no different. As you can see, in the water glass demonstration, the glass and water barely move as our heavyweight tester, Jerica, moves around on the opposite side of the bed. Additionally, when testing the mattress with multiple people getting in and out and tossing and turning, we felt very little motion. The memory foam top layer does a great job at absorbing and minimizing motion. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support typically leaves heavier sleepers with a feeling of roll-off. By nature, all foam mattresses tend to have weaker edge support as the foam layers compress with weight. The Molecule 1 suffers this fate as well. We found significant sinkage while sitting on the edge of the mattress and similar sinkage when lying along the edge. Heavier sleepers may experience the roll-off sensation. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increased amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reducing blood flow in those specific sections of the body. We found the Molecule 1 did a superb job relieving pressure for all sleeper weights across all sleep positions. The 5 inches of comfort foams, and especially the 2 inches of memory foam on top, cradle the sleeper's body and alleviates pressure. You can see the readings are mostly green, with a little yellow for all of our sleepers, meaning there's very minimal pressure. Though you will see a touch of pressure on the lightweight sleeper's shoulders, which has more to do with her sharp frame than the properties of the mattress. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Thanks to its open cell memory foam comfort layer and the moisture wicking cover, the Molecule 1 sleeps fairly cool for an all-foam bed. Some of us noticed the mattress warming, but overall, it felt better than other all-foam beds, which are notorious for trapping heat. Before we move on, let's take a moment to check in with our sleepers. So Wilfred, what did you think about the Molecule 1 mattress?
I thought it was a pretty good mattress. It is fairly firm in general.
I really liked it. My first impression, it just kind of feels like a hug. I really just felt like the mattress kind of molded to my body type and that it was giving me some support as I was laying on it.
I thought it was okay. It's a little bit too soft for my taste. It's kind of too squashy.
Too much squoosh.
Yeah.
So the Molecule 1 mattress is actually a zoned mattress, so it's softer at the foot and the head of this bed. Did you feel that at all?
Now that you say it, yeah, I did. When I was sleeping on my back, kind of felt like the top part of me was going into the bed, and it made my breathing kind of speed up, and so it, made me want to turn to my side. It was pretty uncomfortable, yeah.
When I was sleeping on the edge, it was fairly comfortable and I couldn't tell that I was on the edge. But if I was putting my socks on in the morning or sitting, I felt like I might fall off.
Did you feel any motion when other people were getting in or out of the bed or changing positions on the bed next to you?
Actually didn't feel any movement at all, so I was really surprised actually. That was a cool thing.
When other people were on the bed, I could definitely feel it moving, but they didn't bounce me around.
With the Molecule 1 mattress, what was your favorite sleep position?
I like sleeping on my side, so that was very comfortable. I felt like my arms and my head was supported, so that's usually why I tend to lay on my side, because I want to feel, comfortable.
All right, thank you so much. Now let's take a look at how the Molecule 1 mattress stacked up in our mattress testing. This mattress offers very good support for light and average weight sleepers and good support for heavy sleepers. Pressure relief is very good for light and heavyweight sleepers and excellent for average weight sleepers. Motion isolation is very good, and temperature neutrality and edge support are good. Here are a few takeaways from our mattress testing. The Molecule 1 comes in one medium firm firmness option. If you know you prefer something softer or firmer, you may want to check out the firmer Molecule 2 or something else, as they don't sell a softer option. The Molecule 1 feels like a foam mattress. You will sink into the top memory foam layer, which has a slow response. If you prefer a more responsive mattress, you may want to check out an inner spring or a hybrid. Heavier sleepers may not receive the support they need from this all-foam mattress. With only 3 layers and a soft top layer, some heavier sleepers may find they sink through the comfort layers easily and have uneven support. Lightweight side sleepers, and especially those that have sharper frames like Ginny, may prefer a softer mattress. These sleepers tend to want soft, plush mattresses to get the pressure relief they need, and the Molecule 1 may be too firm. So who is the Molecule 1 good for? We recommend this mattress for lightweight back and stomach sleepers. While it may be too firm for lightweight side sleepers, the firmness is a boon for lightweight sleepers who crash on their backs and stomachs. The firmness, support, and pressure relief offered by the Molecule 1 should make it a great fit for those sleepers. Average and heavyweight side and back sleepers should also enjoy the Molecule 1 mattress. The combination of memory foam and the zone polyfoam layers offer a nice balance of conforming and support. Easily disturbed couples will enjoy the great motion isolation extended by the Molecule 1. The memory foam and zoned polyfoam in the comfort layers absorb motion well, so you shouldn't feel your partner's movement while sleeping. Warm sleepers that prefer an all-foam feel may enjoy the Molecule 1 mattress. The open-celled memory foam and the cooling cover help the mattress stay a bit cooler than most other foam mattresses. If you're interested in purchasing the Molecule 1 mattress, here's some additional information you may want to know. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, a lifetime warranty, and free shipping and returns. For the lowest prices available and exclusive Tuck discounts, check the description below. That's it for the Molecule 1 review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Leave a comment with any feedback or questions you may have. We love hearing from you. And as always, sleep well.